2012 Mazda 3, a 2010 Car and Driver's 10 Best Award winner, the Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, one owner, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, rear window defroster, fog lights, trip computer, tachometer, brake assist, power moonroof, sunroof, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.